how to find NFT projects early. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can find NFT projects before anybody else, how you can find the NFT collections that are going to explode and make an investment in them and make a lot of money. So, I will tell you about different platforms and different websites that you should definitely check out if you're looking for NFT collections, if you're looking to buy NFTs. So, let's get started. Up first, we have this platform known as NFT Calendar.io. NFT Calendar has all of these collections, verified collections, and these are all listed on NFT calendar when they are about to be launched, and you can check out all the upcoming NFTs right here and you get all the information about them. So this way you kind of like get an idea about them before anybody else, and it is all in one platform. Like you will find the Solana NFTs, the Ethereum, all of the blockchains are found right here. Just to keep in mind that some of these collections are actually paid as well, so they're like people pay them to list their NFT. So it depends on you how good you know NFT collections, and you can also see that it is actually related to all of the platform. That is actually pretty amazing because some of the platforms are only related to one platform, one marketplace. For example, when we talk about rarity tools, or when we're going to talk about how rare.i is, so these are the tools for just one blockchain. But when it comes to NFT Calendar.io, it has Solana NFTs, it has Ethereum NFTs, and all of the others. So if you're looking for any NFT platform to promote your NFTs and to get access to NFTs early, then you should definitely check out NFT Calendar because it will kind of like give you a view of all the NFTs on every blockchain and different platforms. The next tool you should check out is going to be Rarity.tools. You might have heard about Rarity.tools. It is for Ethereum NFTs, and if you are looking to buy Ethereum NFTs, then you should definitely check out Rarity.tools. You will be able to find all of the collections right here on Rarity. There are thousands of collections available. So when it comes to the upcoming collections, of course, you can simply click on upcoming right here, and then you will be able to check out the upcoming NFT collections. You can see right here, these are all upcoming collections that I can check out, and you actually get their timing in your own zone as well. So this is actually pretty amazing. You can see right here, they have kind of like given time according to my time zone, and whatever like your time zone is, you will be able to find the NFTs and you will be able to check out the time. And you can also check out their Discord and Twitter is given. You can check it out. You will be able to check out, these are going to be launched tomorrow. So now I have an idea. Look at this collection right here. This is like pretty amazing, right? This is like super amazing. This one looks really cool. So now this is going to be launching tomorrow because it's like tomorrow's sales. And now I have the timing right here. The sale is going to be on this day, and this is going to be the total collection. This is going to be the public sale, the per sale. This is the Discord. I can join their Discord, I can join their Twitter, and I will be able to kind of like access to these NFTs before anybody else. And then we have, as we go down, like the timing will increase. Of course, like these are going to be launched next month. So I have an early access to these NFTs, and people who are not using this tool, they don't have an idea about these upcoming collections. So this is pretty amazing that I can check out all of these collections right here on Rarity tool and get access to all the upcoming NFT collections and get my hands on new NFTs right now. The next platform that you should check out when it comes to getting the early access to the NFTs, getting early NFTs, and checking out the upcoming NFTs, it is going to be Twitter. Now, you might be wondering that why Twitter is on the list, because it's just a social media platform, and any NFT will be, posted here when it will be launched. Well, that's not the case, because whenever any NFT is being promoted before its launch, Twitter is an important part of it. So there are giveaways on Twitter as well. for the upcoming collections. People use Twitter for their promotion. So when a platform is used for promotion, that means you will be able to get an early access to the NFTs. So this is like a very cute NFT collection, which is a koala agent. I personally love koalas. So you can see right here, this is so cool. And I can actually check out their collection right here. And I will be able to buy a koala of my own. So you can also check out these collections. So these are the upcoming collection. Every collection has its Twitter. Even if they don't have a website, they have a Twitter, because creating a Twitter is really easy, right? So you will be able to get an early access to the NFT. And the good thing about Twitter is that the announcements are made on Twitter most of the time. So whenever there will be a new announcement about any NFT, it is going to be on Twitter, like a giveaway, maybe a launch date, what is going to be the mint price, what is going to be the floor price. So this is really important. Twitter is really important when it comes to looking for new NFTs and looking for early NFTs to kind of like get an early access to the NFTs. So that is why you should definitely check out Twitter if you are looking to buy NFTs and if you're looking for good NFTs out there. The next tool is going to be How Rare Dot is. It is for Solana NFTs. So I kind of like mentioned rarity tools. It was for Ethereum NFTs. So I thought that I should also mention How Rare Dot is, because it is for Solana NFTs. You simply click on upcoming drops and you will be able to get access to all the upcoming drops that are going to be launched very soon, and you will be able to get access to all of these amazing Solana NFTs with the help of How Rare Dot is. It has all the top collections and all of the collections that will be launched. You can check out the timing right here. You will be able to check out their Twitter, their website, their Discord. The mint price will be shown right here, and then some of the information as well. So this is actually a pretty good platform if you're looking to buy Solana NFTs, and if you're looking for Solana NFT upcoming projects, then you should definitely check out How Rare Dot is. And it's super easy to use. You can also go to Soul C first and kind of like check out the collection. If you heard about a collection, you want more information, you can simply come to How Rare Dot is, and you will be able to get all the information about the NFT collection, and you will actually get hands on one of the best NFTs out there. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to find NFTs early than others and kind of like get hands on the best NFT collections before anybody knows about it. And if this tutorial really helped you, then make sure to recommend it to others as well. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time the channel uploads a new video. I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.